Hey fellas, this is a real short one, and sometimes I say things that they don't quite make enough sense. Remember I said not to lose the shed key, or the key for the tractor, or the key for the trailer, or whatever, and I said the black lights and the orange thing. Let's see out there? See this? Watch this. Yeet! Okay. Shut this door. Let's make it nice and dark. There you go. Where? Outside. Oh, how about that? Do you see that key? I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. Back at the house. Fellas. In the gravel. Yeet. Every day, learn or teach. On a good day, you do both.